Trading Excise. This presentation will give an overview on implementing trading excise in Busy. Given here are the steps in brief on implementing trading excise in Busy. Step 1. Enable trading excise in Features, Options, Excise tab. Step 2. Configure standard invoice format. Step 3. Enter unit name for excise return. Step 4. Create item master. Step 5. Enter purchase transaction. Step 6. Enter sale transaction and adjust with purchase reference. Step 7. View print excise reports. Generate e-return. To enable trading excise, click Administration, Configuration, Features, Options, Excise tab. Enable the checkbox Enable Excise Reporting and select type of reporting as trading. Enter excise-related details such as range, ECC code, division, collectorate. Specify why to enable additional special excise duty in company. Select balance duty, calculation basis. Actual duty refers to amount of duty passed on and proportional duty refers to duty as per quantity passed on. Specify why to enforce same manufacturer and supplier in voucher. Specify why to maintain material center-wise duty details. Specify why to restrict any changes in purchase voucher once it has been adjusted. Specify why to append voucher series name in default reference numbers. Click the Invoice Setting button and select the format in which you want to print sales invoice. Different invoice formats have been provided. You can select as per your requirement and click the Save button to save the configuration. Next, you have to configure party excise details to be printed in standard invoice. Specify why in Print Party Excise Details option and select details to be printed. Click Save button to save the configuration. Next, you have to specify unit name for excise e-return to generate e-return without an error. If you have any closing balance of items of previous year, then you can specify it using Miscellaneous Data Entry, Excise Opening Balance option. Select the required item, enter supplier name, previous bill number, date, reference number, and manufacturer details. Click Save button to save the opening balance of the item. Next, you have to create item master. Specify item name, its group, unit, sale price, purchase price, tax category. Specify why in Maintain RG23D option and specify tariff heading of the item. Click the Save button to save the item master. Now open a purchase voucher. Select series, enter voucher date, voucher number, purchase type. Select party. Enter details of item purchased. Apply excise bill sundry and any other tax if applicable. Click Save button to save the voucher. Now an RG23D Details window appears in which you need to specify manufacturer's details, manufacturer RD23D page number, serial number, date and time of preparation of invoice and removal of goods. Next, open a sales voucher. Enter required details like series, voucher date, party. Enter details of items sold. On selecting item unit, an RG23D Details window appears in which you can adjust the purchase reference created for the items. You can partially adjust the reference also. Click Save button to save the voucher. If you wish, you can print sales invoice also. Excise options as configured in invoice printing are displayed here. If you wish to view excise-related reports, click Display Excise Reports menu. You can also use Update Tariff Heading Description utility to update tariff heading description of items at one go. The utility is provided under Miscellaneous Data Entry. Enter tariff heading, its description and click the Save button. As invoice configuration is totally configurable in Busy, you can configure your own invoice format other than the standard invoice format provided by Busy. To configure invoice format, click Administration, Configuration, Invoice Document Printing, Advanced option. Create a new format and configure its header, body and footer part for the bill. This completes the implementation of trading excise in Busy. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.